Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been very long that I've put up any videos on YouTube. So I just came up with this beautiful party makeup look. As you can see that I'm wearing a blue with the pink combination of dress. According to that, I'm just wearing my eye look as well. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon for the notification. In this way you will not miss any of my videos. And also guys, I want to thank each and everyone who subscribed my channel and who liked my video. Thank you so much, and please keep supporting me in this way so that I'll be putting up all nice videos for you guys. So let's get started. Today I'll be using this pack moisturizer.
Even before I could apply the foundation, I make sure that I apply moisturizer to my face so it doesn't give me that cakey feel on my face.
Next I'll be taking this e.l.f. face poreless primer.
Primer helps to hide my pores and it gives me the smooth base for my foundation.
Next I'll be taking this Kryolan Supra color and it's in the shade 303.
I'm using this orange corrector to hide all my imperfection.
Next I'll be taking this Zoria concealer brush and I'll be blending out this.
These brushes are so amazing and very soon I'll be giving a review on this.
Next I'll be using this pack foundation and I'm in a shade 2.5.
This foundation gives me like medium to high coverage and it stays for at least for 6 to 7 hours. I'll be taking a beauty blender and I'll blend this out in a dabbing motion. Moving on to my eyeshadow, I'll be using this light brown color from this palette and I'll just be applying only onto my crease area. Next I'll be moving to this dark brown shade. Then I'll be just applying like outer corner of my eyes and inner corner of my eyes. I'll be taking this black gel eyeliner from Makeup Forever and I'll be just applying only onto my middle part of my eyelid. Then I'll be taking this light brown shade from this palette and I'll be just applying onto the crease area and I'll be just smudging out all those things and I'm trying to make it look natural. I'll be taking this blue shade from the bridal collection and I'll be just applying only onto my middle part of my eyelid. I'll be blending those harsh edges until it gives me the natural look. Next I'll be taking this gold shade from this palette and I'll be just applying only onto my middle part of my eyelid. To fill in my eyebrows, I'll be using this NYX Cake Powder and I'll be taking this dark brown shade from this palette. To set my foundation, I'll be using Lakme Absolute White Intense Wet and Dry Compact Powder, and it's very important when you apply foundation, it's important to set your foundation as well. To fill in my waterline, I've taken Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Here I'm taking a Lakme Absolute liquid eyeliner and I'll be just making a simple winged eyeliner. I won't be creating a very bold look because already I have a dark blue shade on my eyes and that will look more dramatic. Today for my lips, I'll be using this Color Bar lipstick and it's in the shade pink. This is my final look and hope you guys like my video.